Do you have any tips for appellate or litigation practitioners, or maybe a war story or anything you'd kind of like to share at the end to wrap us up?
One thing that I've noticed is there's a big difference between a good brief and most of the briefs. I'm no great writer, I don't claim to be, but it's a craft. And whether you're writing a song or a novel or a brief, writing is a craft. And so I think you are a tradesman, you are a writer if you're an appellate lawyer. You don't have to be Brian Garner, but you need to practice and think about it. When I pick up a good brief, it's awesome. But I've been on the court long enough. I've had some I just couldn't get through. I just put it down. I'm like, this is ridiculous. I'm not learning anything. I'm going to pick it back up later. And if a decision maker is having to struggle understanding what the decision is or what you want the decision to be, you're losing. It's the equivalent of jury argument that rambles everywhere and all those CLEs. We just do it in writing. So I would say practice your craft. And I don't know that I have any appellate war stories. I had a summary judgment hearing one time where I had read and prepared for a case that was on the following Friday's docket, not the Friday of the docket I'm talking about. And so I go out there and ask the first question, and the lawyer's like, "What? What are you talking about? I don't even know who that is." And I looked at my docket sheet and I realized, oh my God, I just asked him a question about another case. The poor guy's so confused. And,
this is a judicial blooper reel.
Yeah,
I love it.
But, I can imagine how that guy felt, though. That's never the question you're prepared for about.
Yeah, boy, yeah, he had a lot of confidence in the judge, I'm sure. The other one, I got to tell this one because I don't know who it's happened to or who will admit it, but I'm old enough that I'll admit it. I was striding confidently to the bench when I was on the trial court, and stepped on my robe and went down. Just flat went down. You hear everybody gasp.
Oh, wow.
I waved. I'm okay. Anyway, I've had a lot of fun serving as a judge. It's really, really an honor. I take it, despite appearances, take it very seriously. I love this state and I love being a part of it.
Well, we appreciate you coming on the show, Judge, and sharing those anecdotes. And if you can't laugh at yourself, there's something wrong.